Hey everyone, Les here from BG Trading. Hope you are well. Today is Friday, October 8th, 2021. We'll be analyzing Global Data Center Group, which is ASX code GDC. This is another company that invests in digital infrastructure assets, similarly to NextDC, but with a more diversified sort of portfolio. I'm going to explain the difference as well, and once again highlight the fact I believe investors are not currently paying attention for this sector. This could be the next big thing within the next 6 to 12 months. I'll explain why. Let's have a look. Just want to remind you, this is not a financial advice, it's just us from BG Trading sharing with you how we apply our strategies to know when to buy and when to sell stocks, how we set up targets, stop losses, how we avoid FOMO, and much more all in this channel. So if you like, please subscribe and share this video with someone. Also, hit the like button. We'll take this opportunity as well to invite you to become a member of our Facebook community. Buy, grow, sell strategies for share traders. If you're not yet, what are you waiting? I'm going to be putting the link for this analysis in the group. So make sure you become a member and you have access to this analysis if you want to take a look in more detail. Now let's jump straight into the analysis. I put together yesterday and I'm actually analyzing not just NextDC and Global Data Center, but I'm also going to be looking at what's happening with Megaport, which is another player in the sector. But this one for me is currently my favorite. I'm going to tell you why. It's a little bit more risk, but I'm going to tell you why it's my favorite in a minute. Just let's understand a little bit the company. This is unlike NextDC. This is a more diversified company. It does actually invest in portfolio investments in data center and other infrastructure data assets, okay, not just data centers. And it's not concentrated in Australia. The assets are all across the world as well, which gives a little bit more sort of flexibility. They have smaller assets, but more diversified. Let's go through first the finances, understand a little bit why I believe this could be a great opportunity. Now, very strong financial performance. FY21 revenue grew up by 295%. That's huge growth, guys, huge growth. Again, operator EBITDA was growth 551%, another huge growth, but we didn't have that exactly reflected on the share price. That's because the whole sector, the whole information technology sector has been under pressure over the last 12 to 6 months. And this is why I think could be a very interesting time to get in. Unlike NextDC, this company is actually profitable. And then as you can see, there's a growth year on year, robust underlying asset performance as well. So the asset performance is pretty good. FY 2020, 2022 forecast EBITDA to be 3.7 to 4 million dollars, which is a pretty good increment from what was from 2.6 this year. So obviously there's a growth in there already set. If we exceed that, then we're really going to be share price is skyrocketing soon. So hopefully that happens. Now, also we have 14 data center interest as well, but not just that. Let's take a look what's happening with the assets. Company has recently acquired Ethics Everywhere, which is an established and branded data center operating businesses in Western Europe with a foothold in Latin, which is Latin America as well. Also, a company owns a Gateway Network Connection. If you don't know, this is a key subsea cable hub with a strategic location of one in Pacific. So basically underwater cables that connect one continent to another. Yes, already operating. Meter stake in AirTrunk and also Fujitsu Perth Data Center, which they call a solid yield investment in modern facility with great tenants. Then I will be comparing this potentially with next DC asset as well. Now, obviously, there's a lot going on in this company. They promise investors returns of over 10% a year, which is great. They also pay dividends, which is obviously something that investors look at. Let's have a look at share price. Share price of NextDC. It hasn't moved much lately, just because the company has done a capital raising to fund one of the positions, and we can see here there was a very interesting performance. Obviously, the whole sector being under pressure over the last 12 months, but if you have money invested in this company exactly 52 weeks ago, you would be positive in this case, 14% positive, okay? Even though the sector was under pressure. Now, the current chart formation, it's interesting for a potential entry. And I'm going to show you why. Because SP, there's a lot of growth prospect for this company, and SP is currently trading around SMA in the channel, hitting a channel. As you can see here, there's a 190 channel, which SP went all the way down and bounced back. And then another day went down again and bounced back again. I'm going to actually show you in detail. So now, after the capital raising, which is at 193, it looks like the share price, it's holding very steadily around that sort of level. And that gives us a good base entry of that. So anything around this channel and around SMA, I would say is potentially a good entry. And you look into 6 to 12 months prospect, potentially see this stock going up 50 and even 100%. That's my thoughts about this company and my belief on the sector itself. So I think this is the year, the next 12 months, 2022 will be the year for this sector. Hopefully I'm right, and hopefully I can, in 6 months time, record another video and say, see, I told you so. I'm gonna put some money in this company for sure, and I want to make sure we have exposure in this sector as well. There's a bullish intersection here now. Obviously, potentially could be a bearish intersection, but I think it's gonna bounce back once this capital raising is done. Guys, this was my taking in Global Data Center Group. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, please put in the comment section below. And if you agree with me or don't agree with me about this sector and this company, please let us know as well. And tell us what you think this sector is undervalued and this particular stock or not. I'm here to discuss with you. So I'll see you in the next video. Have a lovely weekend. Thanks for watching. The whole idea when we designed BG Trading BGS 20 strategy was to use only a set number of indicators to make it simple and clear to understand and to be able to apply our KPIs very easily and very effectively. So you don't have to be any Wall Street smart person to be able to apply those strategies. We really hope this course will help you to make better decisions and make successful trades. See you in the course.